Blowing up the ACs at home and in cars during daytime peak hours is essential, but car ACs can sometimes feel like a sauna. To ensure a chill and safe ride, follow these 10 simple and practical tips to supercharge your car's AC performance. 1. Open the windows and switch to recirculation mode. Let the cool air inside the car instead of blowing fresh air in from outside. 2. Shade your ride. Stay in the shade, avoiding direct sunlight to lower cabin temperatures and reduce strain on your AC. 3. Turn off auto start-stop. Modern cars often turn off the AC compressor when the engine stops, preventing a smooth cool down. 4. Disable automatic climate control. If your car has it, turn off the feature when the set temperature is achieved, saving fuel and ensuring optimal temperature control. 5. Change your car's filter. Regular cleaning or replacement of these filters keeps your AC running smoothly and preventing bad odors. 6. Keep your AC tuned up. Regular professional maintenance catches early issues, preventing breakdowns and unnecessary energy consumption. 7. Balance your cabin temperature. Set your AC to a comfortable 24 degrees Celsius, ensuring efficient and energy-efficient cooling. 8. Check your AC's condenser. Regularly cleaning or replacing the condenser is crucial for optimal performance and preventing leaks and damage. 9. Keep your windows closed and doors sealed. 10. Consider adjusting your AC settings to the sweet spot temperature. Running your AC at full blast isn't ideal for energy efficiency. Aim to chill at a cooler temperature for optimal performance and reduced fuel demand.